na njĩra nene mathĩna mamwe ma marĩa makoretwo makĩgerera itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkinyanĩria mathomo ma CBC. Kũringana na mwarimũ ũyũ, nĩagĩkĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ thirikari gũgĩkorwo ĩkĩheana mabuku kũringana na ũingĩ wa arutwo. Hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩakĩcakaĩte na njĩra nene gũkorwo matakĩrĩ na indo njiganu cia gũkorwo magĩtwarithia na mbere na mathomo, kuona atĩ arutwo amwe magĩkorwo magĩcũngĩrwo gũthomera nja, angĩ ao makĩremwo gũthiĩ na mbere na mathomo mao kũrũmĩrĩra ũnyihu wa irathi.
0.25 against 0.34. Now, this is how we are performing. 79, if you're writing down, 65 to 79 is meeting.
The government is giving the textbooks looking at the population as it were last year when they were doing Cbc. Now, a boarding school has attracted very many other girls from other schools. That means the enrollment has gone high in comparison to the textbooks that have been brought. The government only posted a few teachers. We got 4. 4 teachers, you have 14 subjects, we have 6 streams, and the projects we have to run. You need to have a music room running, art and craft room running. We are now talking of a laboratory. And we didn't have these rooms to begin with. So you have to look for a room somewhere for these things to begin working. So the government capitation that is there is not enough. During the day, we get the bus out of the garage and let the learners carry out activities. In the evening, we get it in. It is that serious. Looking at our compound, we are even talking of maybe demolishing some classes and going upwards. But where are the funds? Yeah, because we do not have actually a place that will say we'll have to put up a classroom. Our room is very small. Now, computer has come up as a subject. If you have 6 streams, and all of them have to go to the lab at least once a day. So even making the timetable becomes a challenge.
Na ripoti ĩyo ĩgiĩ mathomo ma